Hi everyone. These are a few highlights of the 3D printing workshop conducted at Carmel Higher Secondary School, Nuvem, Sunset, Goa, which was sponsored by Wilfred Charitable Society, Oasis of Youth, Nuvem. As part of the workshop, the faculty, Mr. Carmelito Andrade, showed and explained how to set up the 3D printer and design a 3D object using Tinkercad. As you see here, the faculty explained the various parts of the 3D printer and how to set up the 3D printer for the first print. He also explained the various types of 3D printers available today and explained the various types of 3D printer filaments that can be used like PLA, ABS, TPU, conductive filament and more. The second half of the session for the students included 3D designing an object like a keychain using Tinkercad by Autodesk. Once the students completed their designs, they shared the same with the faculty and he gave them suggestions based on looking at their design in a slicing software called Cura. The vote of thanks was given by two enthusiastic students, namely Kritika Narayan and Rachel Cruz.
My name is Surya, and I would like to thank you for my all the colleagues and for our teachers to presenting well explanation and so well presentation and such very creative things. You have for first time and it's very nice. And my personal experiences, I would like to take this thing forward in my studies and it's very nice and I hope everyone has enjoyed this lesson. And yeah, thanks so much. City, I would like to thank each and everyone, especially from the and especially my department, the teachers, for bringing us here and for helping us to experience something new. It was very interesting and it feels like they've never seen this before. I actually, as for my experience, I've never seen this before. I don't know about the others. And I hope even they have not seen it. And may God bless you. And may God help you in all your ways in the future. God bless.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys.